What is up, YouTube fam? You guys already know what it is, but just in case you don't know, you've only tuned into the most lit, channel on the block, and that is Keeping Up with the Coopers. So if you happen to stumble across this lovely page, welcome you guys. Go ahead and do me and the fam a quick favor: like, comment, hit the subscribe button, ding that notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up for me and the fam, you guys.
Real love, now I see you. Yeah, you know I do, to make it through the times.
So it's another beautiful day outside, and I know there's a lot of controversy, you guys, with people opening up a lot of stores, a lot of beaches and stuff like that. Please do not take your ass to an overpopulated area, and by overpopulated I mean places like the beach. Don't take your ass to a restaurant that's got 100 people, or bars, or a tanning salon, because you gotta think about when you're getting tan, you are sweating. So that's like bacteria, right? You know what I'm saying? If you do want to go somewhere, just keep it simple. Like, go to your local Home Depot, go do some home projects, just go to Walmart, go get you some groceries, but do not put yourself at risk. You know what it's going to end up being like, you guys? I don't know if you guys watched this movie, but if you have not watched it, I'm going to need for you to go to Netflix and watch it. That Will Smith movie that's called I Am Legend.
You're clear. Move ahead. Clear.
I swear, this is how the world is gonna be. It's gonna just be the new norm, you guys. It's just gonna be that way. I don't see this thing going anywhere anytime soon. But yeah, just stay safe out there, you guys. Oh, and by the way, guys, do you guys notice anything? I'm just gonna let you guys drop it down in the comments. Do you guys notice anything? Notice anything? I got on my tie-dye shirt, you guys. I told you guys I was gonna wear it, and it looks pretty freaking good, you guys. I like it. I love it. It's so cute.
Oh my god! Wow! Oh my god!
I look all colorful and stuff right now. Your girl look all colorful and spiritual. Look at that. Not want to hear about my tie-dye shirt. I am getting ready to go to you know what? Yeah, I'm gonna just go ahead and let y'all know. Getting ready to head over to Home Depot or Lowe's. Don't know which one I'm going to go to yet, but if y'all want to know what I'm going to get, y'all just gonna have to tune in, baby. Y'all just gonna have to tune in to know what I'm doing at Home Depot or Lowe's, and what my next project or little adventure is going to be, you guys. So let's go ahead and get started into this vlog. I hope you guys all enjoy, and yeah, talk to y'all later. Bye, y'all. All right, you guys, so do you guys notice where we're at? We're at Home Depot, but this is my first time actually seeing a line outside Home Depot. It's a long line, but it's actually, the line's moving though. Hello. Hello. The line's moving, so that's a good thing. Hopefully we can just get in and out. And I actually left my facial mask in the car, but I just gotta remember not to touch my face, my eyes, my nose, and all that good stuff. But yeah, I'm gonna hit you guys back up whenever I get inside, hopefully. Because if it takes too long, we might just have to turn it back around and go back home. Have you guys guessed what we're doing yet? Have you guys, guessed what the bricks? I my foot before he slams it on the thing. If you guys have not guessed, let me just go ahead and let you guys know. The light is weird. Okay, guys, so we got stuff to make our very own fire pit. You guys, I've been wanting a fire pit for 2 years. The reason why I have not been able to get the fire pit is because Michael be contemplating. So this time I was like, look, we need to get the stuff to make the fire pit. I've been waiting for 2 years. Time to, get on it. So that's what we're doing right now, you guys. We're just getting the stuff for the fire pit. We have to get at least about, Michael, how many of those you said? About 40? Huh?
I'm trying to count.
40? Oh, sorry, he's trying to count. But I think he said we have to get about 40 bricks to get the height that we want and the width. So yeah.
Say one should be good.
Yeah. Sand. Is it heavy? Heavy?
I mean, it's not bad. I mean, yeah, I know it's heavy.
Let me try. No, I ain't even gonna try it. Put your back into it. Yeah, so we just got all of our bricks, so I'm gonna go ahead and tune back into you guys. Right now I'm gonna help if I can, you guys, because a lot of damn bricks and they're pretty freaking heavy. But I'm gonna try to do my due diligence and try to, you see that? You see them big words? I'm gonna try to help Mike out and put these in the back of the truck, you guys. So I'm gonna pull y'all back up whenever we get to the house and all the other good stuff, because I don't want my battery to die. But I'm pretty sure you guys understand. All right, so I'm gonna hit y'all back up. Bye. Okay, you guys, so we finally made it to the house. So what we're gonna do right now is I'm actually gonna get some of the pavers. That's what I'm talking about, the pavers. We're gonna get some of the pavers from out the back of the truck, and then we're just gonna go ahead and set them where we need to set them. Then we're gonna go ahead and try to create our circle and outline and all that. You know, you're gonna see in a minute. But what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna speed up the rest of this video, because I'm not gonna be talking, y'all. I'm gonna be working. You know what I'm saying? I'm putting in that work. You know what I'm saying? These guns, that's what I'm gonna be doing. I'm gonna be putting in all that work. Oh my God, there's a dragonfly. I don't like dragonflies. I'm scared of. Yeah. All right, you guys. So I'm gonna hit y'all back up. Bye.
If you ever feel like you might need someone to remind you, we're still.
Basically, we just set up the bricks, basically custom to how we want to, how big that we want to make our fire pit, or how small, whatever you want to call it. But this is basically the size that we want. That works for us. So this is going to be the base. We're going to use this as the outline. Dig it out, get that dirt out of there, level it off, throw some sand in there, set the pavers in there, and then go ahead and throw a bead of caulk around those, and then do another wall, so we can build up a couple bricks high. And what else? Oh yeah, throw in the lava rock, level that off, and then it'll be ready for a fire.
All right, you guys.
Beliefs, don't forget I'm not so far from home. Don't forget I'm not so far from home.
Alright, you guys, so as you guys already know, Mike already explained to you guys basically what we're doing and the steps that we're going to go ahead and take. So we still want to basically get done with this before the sun goes down. So I'm going to go ahead and speed this video on up. So just go ahead and stay tuned, you guys, for the finished product. Trust me, you don't want to miss, you know what I'm saying, this magic right here, okay? So yeah, I'm going to go ahead and fast forward it, but you guys are going to see everything that we're doing. And I might go ahead and do a voiceover. I might do a voiceover for you guys. Stay tuned.
Cause when it's you, my heart feels it too. Hold on, I'm coming through. Just call, just call, just call.
Ready?
Right here, we got Loctite PL 500.
Oh Lord.
Landscape construction adhesive, especially made for pavers. He said it would tolerate heat, so we went with it. You can get it at your local hardware store, like Home Depot. As you see, this is also a Home Depot caulk gun. So let's go and apply the caulk.
Sometimes I felt like I might need someone to remind me, who still believed it didn't matter, you were far from home. Cause you were never really far from home. So if you ever feel like you might need someone to remind you, who still believes, don't forget I'm not so far from home. Don't forget I'm not so far from home. Cause when it's you, my heart feels it too. Hold on, I'm coming through. Just call, just call, just call.
right, you guys, so we finished the fire pit. It looks so good. At first, you guys, we were contemplating on doing either 2 tiers or 3 tiers, but we decided to go with the 4 tiers. I was getting ready to put the 4 tiers. Let me go and show you guys. Oh my God, I'm so excited, y'all. I'm getting tongue-tied. Let me show you guys. Breathe, Kara. Breathe. Let me show you guys the finished product of our fire pit. And you guys aren't gonna get the whole like thing until nighttime when we light the fire, y'all. This is gonna be lit. It's gonna be lit. Look out, look out. Here it go. All right, you guys, it's the moment of truth. It is fire time. All right, let's get started with this fire, y'all. This is gonna be the first Cooper family fire. You guys need to remember this day, mark it down in your calendars. This is our first fire in our house, our first home, y'all. Mark it in your calendars, you know what I'm saying? Enjoy this with us. First time, one time, what, wait. One time for the, say it again, for the one time. Yep. Oh shoot, I said 2. I got the snacks. I got the snacks ready.
Yummy!
I got the snacks ready. Snacks. Got Tonio Gigolo over there toasting the marshmallow. Go a little bit closer, Ree. It ain't gonna burn you.
Let's go on this side. Because the wind's blowing that way.
Go ahead.
Yeah, you ready?
Ooh, Tony, look at that marshmallow. It's nice and charred.
Blow it
and
off
blow it.
And put it on your hair.
It's like all gooey.
How is it? Good, guys?
Set me up,
let me
mama.
set you up. Good, Ari?
Yeah.
Good, Tony? Mm-hmm. I could tell, because y'all don't stop talking. Let me get my beer before a bug or something going. Alright, you guys, so without further ado, I'm going to go ahead and close this vlog out for you guys. Be sure to like, comment, hit the subscribe button, you know what I'm saying, ding that notification bell, give this video a thumbs up for me and the family. We will see you guys all next time. It's time to go night-night, you know what I'm saying? It's time to turn the lights off. It's time to go sleepies, you guys. Your girl, I'm tired. I'm tired. I had 1 beer and 1 wine, and it's time to just pass out. Your girl can't hang like that no more, so I'm going to see you guys all in the next vlog. Bye, y'all.